It says here, every possible cross-section of a three-dimensional figure is a circle. What is the figure? So we did this question already. I'm just going to go back and check. So we actually did a lot of work today. So let me go back and check. We did this here. Every cross-section of a 3D shape, this was our third question of the day, is circle. What is the shape? And we talked about how sphere is the shape, right? So they proved here that sphere is a three-dimensional figure in which all points of the surface are the same distance from R, right? So this here is even better definition actually of my sphere, because if you know that the center of the circle, this here is my radius, this here's a radius, and this here is also radius in three dimensional space. So the distance between any of those points, any of those points and the center is always the radius. So this here is R from the center. So the sphere is perfectly symmetrical. So every cross section of a sphere is a triangle, right? So cone doesn't work out because it will create a triangle like so, and cylinder creates a rectangle when cut vertically. So they even used actually my logic, and they drew out in different three-dimensional shapes that have a circle in them. So a cylinder and a cone, right? So they even actually used my logic, and they figured out that this here, a cross section of here would be a rectangle for a cylinder, and a cross section here for a cone would be a triangle. So this here is actually an even better logic than previous answer. I'm going to say great solution and logic, or I'll just say great solution.